Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamlashawn. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for stopping by. If it's not and you're an OG, thank you so much for returning and being part of the family. If you are not a part of the family, I would like for you to click the subscribe button and become a part of the family today. So today I am in my oldest son's room, Jaden. As you can see, his room is pretty out of whack. It's ugly, and don't worry about the glass that I broke right there on top of his on top of his cover. I'm gonna get that up. But I just want to show you guys what it looked like before. Here is a little clip of the video that I've uploaded in the past where I was telling you guys I was going to be making over his room. I was just sick and tired of the black and red, and it just looked dark, dimmed, and ugly. So I'm going to go ahead and make it over. And as you guys know, some areas are getting a facelift, other areas are just being refreshing. So you guys, I hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned.
As firefighters, you got me dancing in your storm. I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line. Tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system. Make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know. Dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence.
If you guys didn't know, this is my jam. I love me some Odo Band. I used this to spray in his closet on the floor, and then I took this for Breeze to actually spray his clothing down and his shoes down. So that's what you see me doing right here.
Around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know. Dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know. Dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
show you guys this. These are the same sheets that I used on Jeremy bed. This is a fitted sheet. This is by Threshold, I believe. Yes. So I'm going to put this on his box spring so that the same reason, so that it does not look tacky when I get ready to go in and make up his bed. So this is what will go on his box spring. These sheets I picked up at Marshall's for $30. This is the Tommy Hilfiger brand, and it came with the pillowcases also. So I just wanted to show you all that. I picked it up a week ago, and I actually used them on his mattress before already. But I went ahead and washed them and put them back on again because they were specifically for this video. My intentions were to take down the drapes, the black drapes, before I made up the bed, and I truly forgot. So I just stepped on a cardboard so that my feet were not getting on his clean sheets and took them down. Now I know you guys are probably wondering, why is she pulling out this gray quilt for this brown and black looking bed? But let me explain something to you. This bed was not easy to match, the headboard and everything. It was not easy to match. And I kind of started beating myself up a little bit, and I was like, I should have just gotten a solid color bed. But I really liked the bed, and I wanted him to have something different from his brothers. So watch me work, girl. I'm about to pull this together so beautifully, you guys. I'm going to show you how good it came out towards the end.
We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is just.
Now this right here is the star of the show. This is what pulled everything together, and you guys will see what I'm talking about shortly, because I'm going to go in and do an up close video and show you all how beautiful this came out. I just love this throw. I think it's so nice, and it works so well together with the colors in the bed and the quilt.
Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
So let's not ignore the fact that that is a teddy bear that's sitting on his dresser. Y'all, let's just say my son is in love. His girlfriend gave him that for Valentine's Day. So that's where he keeps it, along with some other things that she gave him. So I'm not moving it. I'm just going to clean it up and keep it moving. So I'm done with cleaning his room. I just have this little mess to clean up and vacuum, and then that is it. So I skipped right to it. Here we are. Look at everything, you guys. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. My son says it looks like a hotel setup, and I kind of agree with him. But you all, I just love it. I love the way it all came together. And the red lights that are under his bed, they do change colors and all of that stuff. And I'll show it to you with the lights off also. I'll list those lights in the description box. I got them from Amazon if you're interested. I'm also going to be putting them in Jeremy's and Kyron's room. So this is what I wanted to show you all. Look how beautiful this came out. We have a little bit of gray, we have a little bit of brown, we have a little bit of beige going on and some black. And I pulled all the colors out just by simply getting nice pillows with color in it to go on the bed. So you can see I'm showing you both sides, the dark gray and then the beige that's on the front of it. And then if you guys look at this pillow, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, y'all. It is so beautiful. It's so nice. So I wanted to show you all how well it played into the quilt and the sheets also. And then the star of the show, that's what brought it all together. I mean, it just looks so nice. I couldn't be more happier with how everything came out. I just love my kids to death, you all. I love them. They mean the world to me. So it's very important for me to make sure that my kids are comfortable, they're happy, they have what they need and everything, because it makes me feel like I'm doing my job as a mother, which that's exactly what I'm doing my job as a mother, but also making sure that these things help them in their future. Because if they're sleeping good, if they're eating good, guess what? They perform well at school. So I just wanted to say that to you all, and this is the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss an upload from me. Let me know what you guys are working on right now. Are you cleaning? Are you redecorating? Just tell me what you're doing. I would love to chit chat with you. Don't go just yet, you guys. I do have one more home improvement that I want to show you all that's at the end of the video right after this. So don't go just yet. After you see that, then feel free to go, but come back, okay? All right. More home upgrades are taking place. As y'all see, we had this ugly, busted up faucet here, and this thing here on top of there. So now the chrome to me just get the water stained and everything like that, and it's causing so much buildup down here. So I am changing it. This thing right here came out also, the little thing that goes in there, so the water was spraying everywhere. So now we're gonna go with a pull down. This will be a soap dispenser, and this is gonna match the rest of it, and it's actually gonna be brushed nickel. So this is coming out, y'all, never mind. My busted up roses here, they're about to go out to the trash. But Reggie is hooking us up yet again, coming through on the home upgrades. Thank you, Reggie.
No problem.
So y'all will get to see this in just a moment when he's done. And I'm gonna show you all what I got to take the ugly faucet's place. So this is it right here, and it's by Moen. No, who is it by? Is this pronounced Grow? Grohe? I think it's Grow. But if not, I'm sure y'all will figure it out, and somebody will go in the comments and correct me. So this is it right here. And you all, I'm gonna let Reggie work, and then I'll show you all how it looks after. Okay, so I just wanna show you all how it looks. Look at this. This looks so much better compared to, let me come on this side, compared to what we had. It's really nice. It is a pull down, so it looks good. Hopefully you guys can, there we go, that's better. So it is a pull down. It sits up pretty high. I don't think the camera is doing it too much justice, but let me show you guys what we took off. So this nasty thing came off. We ended up not having to use the other round piece that I showed you all. Let me get it. We ended up not having to use this piece because he said it wasn't attached to anything and it wasn't needed, so I'm going to take this back to Home Depot. But here's the thing that came out. Pretty disgusting. This thing is heavy. So this is it. There we go. Out with the old and in with the new. There we go.